Well, I'm Matthias with MattBeth Construction, and when we do temp spaces, commercial spaces, we always need a good quality cleaner. And Felicia here has been doing cleaning with us a number of times. She's from Women Can Do Mobile Detailing. She first did my 2 vehicles of mine at the office a while back. Did such a great job that, and she said she did other things. And from there, we've gone on to doing commercial cleaning. So if you need great commercial cleaning, Women Can Do Detailing, Felicia.
Yes.
Okay, you can look at the bottom. We'll put a little link to her Instagram or Facebook and her phone number. You can call her. She arrives on time. She shows up, and the place looks marvelous. Today, the managers were oohing and ahhing over how clean she got our back stock room. And if you had seen how dirty that was, you'd be impressed too. So this is Felicia.
Pleasure.
She's the owner.
Yes.
Okay. How is the best way to get in touch with you?
Direct contact. I have everything is linked to my email, Facebook, so it should not be hard to find me at all.
Okay, great.
Yes.
And I will tell you, she does a great job.
Thank you.
MattBeth.